Right guys, just showing you the outcome of this SSD. I might as well follow it up with a video because obviously proof's in the pudding, as I say. So I'm just going to show you how quick, not just the boot up is, but a restart from with this new SSD installed. So show you. This is an i5 processor, second generation, with 8 gig of 1600 megahertz RAM. Let's just show you quick on how my configuration. So there you go, you've got blank D drive and C drive, which is the new SSD. The D drive was my old C drive, that's all I had. So Windows is on this one now. That's why it's absolutely rapid being SSD, and then all my stuff defaults to D to download. So even if this goes down, my other hard drive's got all the data on. So it's a good way of keeping your files safe as well. Right, I'll show you a reboot. So this is Windows 10 64-bit. Good ad for Lenovo. But this will work with most computers. There you go. There's a full reboot. It's ready to go on the net straight away. There you go, so that's how quick it is, so well worth the upgrade. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that may be. Thanks a lot.